In the vibrant village of Maplewood, nestled among whispering willows and chirping birds, the seasons danced through the lives of four inseparable friends: Lily, Noah, Mia, and Sam. In spring, the quartet turned into intrepid explorers, venturing into the newly blooming meadows. With boots squelching in the mud and raincoats flapping in the April breezes, they chased rainbows, looking for the fabled pot of gold at its end. They found magic in every budding flower and joy in the chorus of the returning robins. As the wheel of time rolled into summer, Maplewood filled with the sound of laughter and the clinking of ice cream spoons against glass bowls. Lily, Noah, Mia, and Sam transformed into amateur swimmers and expert cyclists, racing down leafy lanes and plunging into the cool river. Their sun-kissed faces told tales of long days spent under the canopy of the boundless blue sky. Autumn brought the thrill of the harvest and Halloween mysteries. The friends, now detectives in their own playful stories, rustled through the crunching leaves, solving the case of the hidden pumpkins and the mystery of the whispering woodses. Once each mystery was solved, EY celebrated with hot cocoa and stories by the fire. Winter was a time of enchantment. The world slowed down, wrapped under a soft blanket of snow. Lily, Noah, Mia, and Sam, each clad in vibrant scarves and mittens, became architects of grand snow forts and sculptors of snowmen. Each flake of snow was a whisper of the past year, reminding them of the fun they'd had and hinting at the joys the new year would bring. Thus, with each season weaving its own unique magic, the children of Maplewood grew a little more, bound tightly by the thread of unending adventure and companionship.